Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare the Audi S3 versus the A3 S-Line. We'll dive into what sets these two popular Audi models apart, focusing on their performance, styling, and driving experience. Understanding these distinctions will help you decide which car best fits your needs and preferences. Let's explore the core differences and see which one truly comes out on top for you. When it comes to raw power, the S3 clearly takes the lead. Its robust engine delivers significantly more horsepower, offering exhilarating acceleration and a more dynamic driving feel. The S3's performance-tuned suspension and quattro all-wheel drive system also contribute to its superior handling. If speed and agility are your top priorities, the S3 is designed to impress. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more car comparisons. And on another note, if you're looking to make your meal prep super easy, check out these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh, whether you're heading to work or on a road trip. You can find the link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Visually, both the S3 and A3 S-Line present a sleek and athletic design. The S-Line package enhances the A3's appearance with sporty bumpers and side skirts, mimicking the S3's aggressive stance. However, the S3 goes a step further with unique grille designs and its signature quad exhaust. Inside, both offer luxurious cabins, but the S3 often includes more performance-oriented seating and trim. The driving experience is where these two truly diverge. The S3 delivers a thrilling, performance-focused ride, perfect for enthusiasts seeking a dynamic connection to the road. The A3 S-Line, while sporty, prioritizes comfort and efficiency for everyday driving. Naturally, the S3 commands a higher price point due to its advanced engineering and power. Consider your daily commute versus your desire for track-ready performance.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.